As the festival of Diwali approaches, cities and towns in India are witnessing a surge in celebrations that emphasize not just lights and festivities, but also the spirit of vocal for local. This year, consumers are choosing handcrafted, eco-friendly and locally made products, reflecting a growing awareness about supporting artisans and small businesses. DD India's Shama Mishra reports.
From clay lamps and candles to handloom textiles and sustainable decor items, local artisans are seeing a surge in demand. Many products now incorporate natural materials and innovative designs, blending tradition with modern aesthetics. Mumbai's Kandil Gully is known for handcrafted lanterns made of sustainable materials.
हमारा मतलब आकाश कंदील बहुत बिकता है और स्वदेशी लोग ज़्यादा मांगते हैं। स्वदेशी को ही डिमांड ज़्यादा है। वो हमने वुडन का फ्रेम का बनाया है, मतलब जगदम्बा महाराज का, शिवाजी महाराज का बनाया है, छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज का फ्रेम में, और अच्छा रिस्पांस है ग्राहक का।
इस साल हमने अलग यही रखा है कि कापड़ी रखा है, वेलवेट रखा है, जिलेटिन रखा है। ये अपना कागदी तो हर साल होता ही है, तो इस साल बस कापड़ी और जिलेटिन लाया है और छोटे कंदील लाए हैं।
3-4 महीना पहले से हम लोग कंदील बनाना स्टार्ट करते हैं। इंडियन प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करते हैं तो अपना मतलब देश का ये पैसा अपने देश में ही रहेगा, बाहर नहीं जाएगा।
This, in fact, is the perfect time to preserve India's rich craftsmanship and at the same time empower local communities and promote sustainable consumption. The emphasis on vocal for local ensures that every lantern, diya and other decorative piece purchased ensures the light of Diwali in one home brings shine and radiance of brotherhood to many others.
The Maharashtrian flavor is different for Diwali and for Ganpati. So always choose and buy Indian products because you will see thousands of variety for Akash Kandil and Diya in India.
When we purchase our own produce, we give our own artisans the encouragement as well as the local employment. And India needs that employment to grow. Our products are exceedingly competitive, and we must use this mechanism, these kind of festivals, to promote our own manufactured, Indian manufactured goods. And I think it's in the interest of nation building, and we should promote this. And for me and my family will always purchase our Indian stuff, and I believe that that is the best, and we can be as competitive as anybody else.
Diwali is the time of endless festivities, fun and family celebrations. This Diwali, as millions of homes light up, the stress on local produce is surely spreading smiles to many homes.
This Diwali carries a strong vocal for local spirit, showcasing India's craftsmanship and supporting livelihoods. The vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat is also fueled by purchasing Swadeshi, India-made products this Diwali. With camera person Aditya Kasare, this is Shama Mishra for DD India, Mumbai.